In this video, we will learn about components of food and balanced diet. Food. We eat food when we are hungry. Food gives us energy to do work. It helps our body to grow and repair, and it protects us from diseases. But how food does all these things for us? Our food is composed of components of food, which are also known as nutrients. There are 5 major nutrients in our food. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Apart from these 5 nutrients, our food also contains roughage and water. Let us know about these components of food one by one. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the food that are starchy, such as bread and rice, or sugary, such as ice creams and cakes. Such foods provide us energy. Thus, carbohydrates are also known as energy-giving food. Energy helps us to work, play, and study. Fats. Like carbohydrates, fats are also energy-giving food. We get fat from oily foods like nuts, butter, and ghee, and also from meat and eggs. Fats give us much more energy than carbohydrates. Fats also keep our body warm and protect our internal organs from injury. However, eating too much fat is unhealthy as it causes obesity. Obesity is a condition in which our body becomes overweight. Being overweight makes us lethargic and may also cause diseases related to heart. Proteins. Proteins help our body to grow and repair. Proteins make us stronger by building up our muscles. Thus, proteins are also known as bodybuilding food. They help in forming new tissues and also in repairing damaged cells. We get proteins from pulses and beans, milk and milk products, meat, fish, and eggs. Our body also needs protection from diseases to remain healthy. Vitamins and minerals help in doing so. They protect us from diseases and help us to maintain good health. Thus, they are also known as protective food. They are needed by our body in small quantities. We get vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables, milk, eggs, and meat. Roughage or dietary fiber. Besides these 5 nutrients, we also need fiber or roughage. Roughage helps to move food through our digestive tract. It helps to remove undigested food material from our body. We get roughage from fruits and vegetables. We must eat sufficient amount of fruits and vegetables for proper digestion of food. Water. Water helps to remove toxins from our body in the form of sweat and urine. By removing toxins, it purifies our blood and helps to maintain good health. It also helps in digestion. We must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. A diet that includes all the components of food in the right quantity is known as a balanced diet. We should have a balanced diet to stay healthy.